Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ as a complete beginner on YouTube. I'll walk you through the most useful features without making it complicated. Let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is go to the vidIQ website like this. If you haven't signed up, you can simply go right at the top right and click on sign up for free and connect with your Google account. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in just like this with your Google account and connect the YouTube channel you want to use vidIQ with. So if you want to add a channel, just click here, authorize with YouTube, select the channel you want to connect with, and simply press continue. Before showing you the most useful features, I just want to point out that I have a special gift for you. Just below this video, you will find a special link that will give you all the vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. So it's really the perfect gift for you if you want to try out all the amazing features that vidIQ offers. You just have to click on start today for only $1 and connect your account. So there's two ways that you can use vidIQ. You can use it directly on the vidIQ.com website or directly on YouTube. What I would recommend you to do is use it directly on YouTube because it's much more convenient. So in order to do so, you just have to install the vidIQ extension for your browser. So I'm on Google Chrome, so just type vidIQ Google Chrome or vidIQ Safari, etc. Just click on it, add the extension. As you can see, I've already have it. And then go on YouTube, go on your YouTube studio, and then just select one of your previous videos, for example. So let's take this video, for example. It's a video that I've just uploaded today. So the first feature that vidIQ offers is title generator. I have my title and I have this score here. And the score is not that great. And as you can see here, if you press on the little arrow down, you can see and you can generate titles, ideas that are maybe better for you to use on this video. So here's an example. You have Microsoft account sign in not working, try this, which is a way better title that gives curiosity to the viewer. So if you want to use it, you just simply click on the mark sign. And if you are not still convinced by the title, you can simply regenerate others. And even if you don't have any title in your mind, just type a few keywords. So for example, Microsoft sign in issue, click on generate ideas and vidIQ will use it to propose you with some ideas. Then if you go on the next feature, it's actually the description generator. So you can simply put a basic description here. And then what you can do is see what vidIQ suggests you to add on your description. It will analyze all the keywords that you should use in order for your video to perform better. So as you can see here, vidIQ recommends me to add this paragraph on my description. You just simply click and add it and boom, you have the perfect description for your video. Then I like to show you my favorite feature of vidIQ. It is the thumbnail generator. It's really mind-blowing. As you can see here, vidIQ has already created a brand new thumbnail for me to use. So as you can see here, the thumbnail is way better. It has amazing text that's really eyes focused and a really nice illustration that was made automatically. So if you're convinced with this thumbnail, you can click on use it like this and it will immediately apply it to your video, or you can simply click on quick generate and it will generate a brand new thumbnail that you can use or not depending on your style and preferences. And what is cool about that is that it will show you a score again, telling you what is good on your thumbnail, what could be improved. So that could give you also a kind of feedback that is really helpful. So it only takes a few seconds and then it generates the thumbnail. So as you can see here, there is another one. And you can even pick any frame from your video. Maybe we can use this one for the demonstration and then just click on generate from this frame. So it will use this frame in order to be inspired to create the thumbnail. And then you can simply describe what you want in your thumbnail. So catching illustration of the title and click on generate. And as you can see, it created what we asked for. So the text on the top, the illustration, the face with the emotion, it's really good. Then if we move on to the next feature, which is the keyword related tags. So vidIQ will also recommend you the best keyword to use on your video that will help promote the video across Google and YouTube. You can generate keyword and simply click to add them to your video. So those are the really great features to make the uploading of your video easier. And if we go back to the vidIQ website, you can see much more features. Let's, for example, click on Optimize, which will showcase all your previous videos and tell you which one is good, which one should be optimized, the title, the thumbnail, etc. So you just have to click on any video and it will tell you, okay, so maybe this title, you can change it to this one. The thumbnail is not that good. Maybe you can use another one. As you can see here, he made a really good illustration by itself. It's really good. The SEO part also for the description, as we saw, and the tags recommend you some good terms to add. And also, if you click on review, vidIQ can analyze your entire video and tell you, okay, this part was good. Maybe next time you can shorten this part, try to explain more of this topic. So it's kind of an AI coach that will help you to make the most out of your YouTube channel. If you don't know what type of video to make, you can click on the research tab just right here, and you will have some outliers video just for you that you can use to get inspired to create any video. And if you have a specific topic that you want to cover, you just have to type it on the search bar. Let's say a vidIQ tutorial, click on that, and it will tell you what the people are searching on YouTube and also the competition. And what you want to do is click on the overall score, which will take into account all of these metrics and give you what are the best topics that you should make on your channel. So as you can see here, for example, I should make a video on how to grow on YouTube because there's a lot of people that are searching it and there is low competition. So that's perfect for my channel. You can also click on the video tab and it will show you other creators that have created videos based on your keyword. So as you can see, there's a bunch of vidIQ tutorials, so you can get inspiration for the thumbnail, for the title, for the type of video that you want to create. There is exactly the same for the short videos. And if you click on new chat on the top left, you can simply ask question. And the beauty of vidIQ is, hence it is connected to your YouTube channel. It can search across all your YouTube metrics to provide you with the best tailored ideas and suggestions that you could have on your channel. So for example, I can ask for an entire audit of my channel. So can you audit my channel, please? It will take a few minutes, but it will go over all my YouTube channel, over all my videos, and look out for the best one, and it will give me really specific recommendation. So while it is thinking and analyzing my whole YouTube channel. So as I said before, if you want to try and use all of these amazing features, you can use the link below my video, which will direct you to this special offer that will allow you to get all of these features for only $1 for your first month of using vidIQ. It's an exclusive deal, so don't hesitate to check it out, guys. So here are all my results, and vidIQ will also give me an action plan. So return to your proven formula immediately. So it will give me ideas on what videos I should make next. So here you have all the amazing vidIQ features. Don't hesitate if you have any question, and I see you on the next one. Bye.